What's poppin', YouTube? Hey, I know I've been slacking on, videoing. Well, basically posting around. Sorry about that, but yeah, we're gonna start doing a little more of that. Um, well, yeah, today's video is just pretty simple. I just want to post it out, and I'm gonna be doing some car sounds with my mouth. Well, I'll just do a little hit of it, so a little tip. But this one is just a Subaru. A lot of people actually like this, and I'm gonna try it out. So here we go. Before this starts, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, please, and let's go from there. All right, be quick.